Okay, this is problem 1, and it's on page 300, and it asks us to find the 6 trigonometric functions for theta. So what's the first trigonometric function? It was on the board. Sine. But I want you to write the argument. So don't just write sine of theta. Okay? Put equals next to it. What's the other 6? The second one. So also write the cosine. We're going to fill these in a second. The cosine of theta. Sometimes they'll use the Greek letter, sometimes they won't. Next one. Tangent. It's all in your notes. Tangent of theta. And I'm going to write them in the same order they do. We'll put the fourth one here. What's the reciprocal of that? Cosecant. Cosecant. It's called cosecant, but we abbreviate it CSC. Don't forget to write an argument. What's the next one? Secant of theta. And the last one is cotangent of theta. So there are 6 parts to this. And also did I leave enough room there? Also put in equals, because we have to put our answer. I need to shrink it just a little bit more so we have room. So, and I know there's not room on your yeah, so, okay, oh well, I'm going to have to slide over just a little bit and write really small. So, before, I told you that the sine was what letter? And it's in your notes also.
Y.
It's Y. I'm just going to ask you the reverse now. What is the Y value here?
15 over 17.
And we already said it, or George just said it, that the sine is equal to Y. And you guys just told me that the Y coordinate is 15 over 17. So what's the sine?
15 over
Right, 15 over 17 is the sine. By the way, it doesn't matter what order we do these in. 15 over 17. The cosine is the x value. What's the x value? Negative 8 over 17. I hope I have enough room for this next part. I might need to write it up here. So now the tangent, what is that? What does your note say that is? Y over x. So isn't that going to be, let me see if I have room to do it here. Isn't y over x going to be, the y value is 15/17. 15. And we're going to divide it by the x value, negative 8/17. Right? Isn't that right? Y over the x. How do you divide by a fraction? You multiply by the reciprocal. Again, let me, did that even show up there? Won't that be, let me just slide it over a little bit. So I took the y value and divided it by the x value. And if we want to divide these fractions, we got to multiply by the reciprocal. So that's going to be 15 over 17 times what? What's the reciprocal of negative 8 over 17? Right, 17 over negative 8. What cancels? What simplifies? The 17th. And we're left with? Right, and it doesn't matter where you put the minus sign. Can I put it on the side? So negative 15 eighths. And like I said, you can put the minus sign on the bottom if you want. Negative 15 eighths. That make sense? We took the y value for the sine, the x value for the cosine, y divided by x, we have to divide by a fraction, and simplify it. And now to find these last 3, they're just the reciprocals. Remember, the cosecant is the reciprocal of this. What's the reciprocal of the reciprocal of 15 over 17? This might not show up, so I'm going to slide it over just a little bit. 17 over 15. What's the reciprocal of negative 8/17? Negative 17 eighths. And what is the reciprocal of negative 15 eighths? Negative 8/15. So those are the 6 trigonometric functions for the theta value in problem 1. Now before I stop recording, does anybody have any questions on that one? Okay, I'm going to stop this now.